No one expected Eric to be the one to know that.
You know, I remember watching live the first time the detonator won the CPAW championship. He blew the lid off the place.
Next! I said next!
Hello, Mr. the Detonator, sir.
Name?
Al.
Okay, Al. All right.
Oh, and one for my pal here, please.
Your name? Name? Come on, man.
Ian.
Ian, did you say? Are you nervous? Don't be, champ. The detonator is excited to meet you. Both you and, Al.
Oh.
It's fans like you that are the reason that the detonator is 5-time CPAW champion!
Really?
You betcha. And not only am I gonna give you 2 free VIP tickets to tonight's match,
Amazing.
but I'm also gonna spend some quality time with you because you are the 100th person to get an autograph today.
Wow.
Yeah. So the rest of you can leave while I spend some one-on-one time with my pal, Ian. Okay, the detonator needs a break, so why don't you buy a shirt while you wait?